Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Yukon Denali. Stock number is A6785A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Your second row seats are heated seats. You do have dual rear facing entertainment centers. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated and cooled seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. Cruise heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.